Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and connecting the AC adapter so the laptop won't die mid-fix. Once done, insert your USB recovery or Windows 10 install media and restart. Make sure to trigger WinRe using Shift plus Restart from the sign-in screen or press F11 during post on HP. You need to reach advanced options. That environment gives the actual tools. Do not sit idle. Get into recovery environment immediately so you can run the automated fixes next. Once in advanced options, try automatic repair to let Windows attempt startup fixes. This often resolves boot loops. If automatic repair fails, open command prompt and run bootrex/fixember, then bootrex/fixboot. Follow with bootrex/rebuild to repair the boot configuration. After that, run chkdskc/f to fix disk errors and sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. These commands target why recovery mode repeats corrupted BCD. If the command repairs don't fix it, try system restore from advanced options to roll back to a working point. This preserves settings and often restores bootability. If that fails, reset this PC and choose keep my files first. Use remove everything only if necessary. Finally, if recovery environment is damaged, recreate HP recovery media or Windows install USB on another machine and retry. A key troubleshooting tip. If you see BCD errors, rebuild the BCD from command prompt and double-check disk health with chkdsk before resetting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.